How to fix Outlook stuck on loading profile. So here I am in the Outlook application. So if you're having trouble opening the Outlook application because it is stuck loading your profile, what you can do are a few things. What you can do first is try to open Outlook in safe mode. So to do that, just go ahead and go to the search bar and then type in run. And then we will use this run feature. From here, you just need to type in this Outlook/safe. So from here, it will run Outlook in safe mode. Then you can click OK. Then you can see how it looks. So here in the profile name, so just click OK right here. And then it will now load this. So from here, you can enable macros. And then now it opened Outlook in safe mode. So you can go ahead and try to do this and then see if it will now run the Outlook application properly. Then you can close this. Then you can try to open the Outlook normally so that you can see if it is now working. So if it's still not working, what we can do is that we can go to the control panel. So just type in the control panel in the search bar. From here, go to this Mail Microsoft Outlook. Click that. From here, click email accounts. And then from here, you can go ahead and remove all of the email accounts that you have right here. And then what will happen next is that when you open the Microsoft Outlook application, you will just be prompted to sign in again. So just go ahead and sign in again to your email account and then see if that fixes the problem. So if it's still not working, now what we can do is that we can use the repair function of the Microsoft Outlook application. So to do that, just close this. And then we need to go to Programs and Features. So just click Programs and Features. From here, you will have your list of applications that is installed in your desktop. And then here in the search bar, just type in Microsoft. From here, we have this one, Microsoft 365, and then Microsoft 365 Apps for Business. So just choose the specific applications that you're using. So if you have a business account, you can use Microsoft 365 Apps for Business. But if you just have a personal account, you can just use Microsoft 365. So again, just select either one of them and then click change. From here, click yes. And then there will be this window that will appear right here. So you have the quick repair first. So you can go ahead and choose this and then click repair. And then this will fix most issues quickly without using an internet connection. So after you have used quick repair and it is still not working, now you can use online repair. So online repair will fix all issues but will take a little longer and requires an internet connection. So again, you can select this option if you are having problems after quick repair. So just go ahead and use this too and then click the repair button. And then what will happen is that it will go ahead and run for a while. So you just need to wait for the repair feature to finish. Then now you can open Outlook again to see if the problem is now fixed. And then that is it. So that is how we can fix Outlook stuck on loading profile. So I hope you learn how to do it. And thank you for watching.